Hello, today we'll show you how to reset app preferences on your Samsung Galaxy M10. First, let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now swipe up again and go into settings. And here go into apps. And in the apps, in the upper right corner, you have a more button, the three dots. Click it, and here you have reset app preferences. Select it. And this will reset all of your preferences for disabled apps, default apps, permission restrictions, notification restrictions, and background data restrictions. If you want to do that, simply press reset. And just like that, our app preferences have been reset. I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.